on a recent test, Jeremy wrote the equation. So they give you a rational expression on the left equal to x plus 6. And it says, which of the following statement is correct about the equation he wrote? And the answer choices, the equation is never true, sometimes true, always true except for x equal to 6, and always true. So the best thing to do is to be able to solve the equation. Now there's two ways that you can solve it. You can place it over 1 and cross multiply. Or if you notice, I should be able to simplify or factor my numerator. So I can factor my numerator. So instead of cross multiply, I'm just going to factor my x squared minus 36 because that will be the difference of two squares. X minus 6, x plus 6. Factors of x squared gives me x and x. Factors of negative 36, negative 6, and positive 6. My x minus 6 stays as it is. And we have a x plus 6. So in this case, my x minus 6 is cancelled. And I'm just left with x plus 6 equal to x plus 6. And I'm going to solve it. So I'm going to move my x to the left, or minus x on both sides. That gives me 6 is equal to 6. Since the x is cancelled, and we just have a statement, 6 equal to 6, is that true or false? So that'll be true. So your answer is not A. Sometimes true, usually never the case in math. Well, it can be, I guess. And letter C or D. Now, they both are always true, but letter C says except when x equal to 6. So what does that mean? Remember that whenever you have an x on the denominator, your denominator cannot be 0. So therefore, x cannot be equal to 6, because if 6 minus 6 will give you a 0. So therefore, your answer is C. It's always true except when x equal to 6. That will give you an error or undefined. Now remember that if it was just a 6 underneath without the x, then the answer will be D. But since we have a x on the denominator, that means that we have a restriction or an exception